Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Kaba Ilco number 7181 TK1 in a 26D finish. This is a mortise thumb turn is what it is. The 7181, and we're going to dissect the part number, is refers to the length, 7181. 7181 means that the cylinder is 1.1 inches long, and these are measured to the back side of the cylinder cam. So that's where you're, from the underside of the head to the back of the cam, that's where the 1.1 inches comes in. Okay. The TK, that means thumb turn, is what it means. The 1 means it is the 863G or standard cam. The term template is used differently. Are you looking at a technical drawing and we're going to call it a template, or are you looking at a hinge that has its holes for the screws located in the template pattern? Standard, not only does it mean, I guess, run-of-the-mill and regular and ubiquitous and the one you see most common, but it also is a specific reference to the physical shape of this cam. This is a standard cam. So if someone says standard cam, they mean one that's going to look like this, wide, full height. And standard cams are very commonly used on very old mortise locks. They're used in generic applications like alarm bypasses for exit devices where there are alarm kits on them, or key switches so that you can set or bypass some sort of electrified assembly. Where you'd use a thumb turn, this client, I can't guess by the client's identification where this is going to, but it's very likely going to it could be a mortise lock that there is a cylinder on both sides of this old mortise lock, and they simply want to put a thumb turn on one side so that you can literally operate the bolt on the lock. That could be where this is going to go. Although in those instances, I would more commonly see an 1.25 inch length cylinder. Kaba Ilco makes probably a good dozen different variants of cams to work with different lock types. Don't assume the standard or the 863G will work with your lock, because it doesn't. And in fact, it does not work with most mortise locks. But if you're doing an alarm bypass or a key switch, or something very common your instructions say you need a standard cam, well, then you've found it. The 1 in the part number signifies the standard cam. If you change that to a 2, you'd get the Adams Right cam, which I happen to have one here, and that would be something you can use on an aluminum storefront sort of application. Okay, this is the 863A, I think, is this part number for this cam. The 26D, that means satin chrome. That's a peel-away protective film that's over the face of the satin chrome. Very high-quality product, being made of solid brass, allows the manufacturer to achieve very high machining tolerances, which gives you very smooth operation, and especially if you are rekeying or working on their cylinders, mortise or rim or key and knob, lever or deadbolt, you'll very much enjoy working on their material because the cylinders from Kaba Ilco, they do make them, but by far and wide, the bulk of their product line is made of solid brass. You'll enjoy that tight machining tolerance because it will give you very good control over the quality of the finished product when you're working on it. Okay. Obviously available in lots of different lengths, certainly different colors, tailpiece, or I should say cam combinations. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Kaba Ilco products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. The catalog where the 7181 will be found will be in their brass cylinder. Look for the words brass cylinder catalog. The different releases or years of release of that catalog are posted there, along with a handy link to their key blank catalog. That document's probably that thick if it's printed out, and will allow you to review key blanks from Kaba Ilco. And then they have a catalog section of their aluminum storefront hardware. You might need a dead latch to go along with this if you're putting it into an aluminum storefront. They can help you with that as well. Any questions on the Kaba Ilco 7181 TK1 in a 26D finish, or any other Kaba Ilco product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.